So if you are not able to install WordPress by one click, you know that, and there is a system that is by the one click you can from cpanel you can install WordPress. Okay, so if you're not able to install by the one click, so this detail for you. Okay, I'll show you how to install WordPress manually from cpanel. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll show you step by step. So what we need to install WordPress manually, so in this case we need database name, username or password. So if you do not have a database username password, don't worry, I'll show you, and I'll show you how to create a database username or password. Okay, so let's get started. So to do this one we have to go to my cpanel. Okay, so let me go to the my cpanel. Now you can see there is my domain name actually, and under this domain name I will show you, and I'll install WordPress manually. Okay, in this tutorial you can see, you can learn do this one. Okay, now you can see this one looks to folder like this one. Okay, just under below this I'll install WordPress. So let me go to the my cpanel. I can see. Okay, don't worry, I'll show you step by step. Okay, and how to create a database or username, or how to add user to that database. I'll show you step by step. Okay, well, you can see in this case we need credentials, so let me click this. Now I'm on my cpanel. Okay, so from here we have to go and find out where is the file manager. Now you can see there is a file manager. Okay, and click this one, and now scroll down, and here you can see w public HTML. Okay, so if you have any subdomain, just you can install WordPress under that. So I'm gonna do this public, so let me click public HTML. Okay, and basically inside here I will install WordPress. Okay, now you can see there's the option upload. Let I click this to upload what, and here we need WordPress. So if you have WordPress installed, so just select here and or drop down WordPress. So if you have no any WordPress, just go to the WordPress official website. wordpress.org. Okay, this one is a official website of the WordPress. So from here we'll download WordPress. I mean that, so if you do not have WordPress downloaded. Okay, now you can see after coming here, just you can see of get WordPress. Okay, just if you click this download, you can download. So just click this. So as I have already downloaded this, so in this case I'll not download. Okay, just if you do not have downloaded and this one, just click this so you can download. So after downloading this, go back here. Okay, just whatever you have downloaded, just this one you have to drop or select. So let me select WordPress. So I'll drop this. You can see I have this one already. Okay, just take and drop. So let me drop. Now you can see there's a WordPress, and just I'm gonna drop this latest version. Okay, just just drop this. I can see it's not working. Okay. Okay, I'm back. So now I can see upload is completed. So after uploading this, now you can see there is options. Go to back. Okay, and click this one, and then now you can see there is a wordpress wordpress zip file. Okay, and we have to this one unzip. Now click just mouse right, and then now you can see there's the option extract. Okay, and click this one to extract, and then now you can see there is a extract files, and click this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna close this. Now we are having this, so this one we are no longer need, therefore this should be deleted. Okay, now you can see, and there is a, and just click this one. So if you click this, so this one will be deleted permanently, other way, and this one will go to the trash trash file. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this one permanently, and then now you can see there is a wordpress all file. So this file I'm gonna put here. Okay, inside this, here just beside this I'm gonna put here. Okay, other way you cannot so if you wanna enter my main domain, so you cannot see and what page, my website, because of this file are available inside this, right? So if you wanna access what page website, so you have to, at first you have to enter my main domain. Now you can see there, then there is a wordpress file, right? So you have to enter this, so otherwise you cannot access a website. So therefore we should do, and we should select, so select all, we should move this, and then now you can see and click mouse right. Now you can see there is a move, and click this one. So I'm gonna move, just I'm gonna delete this one, this path. Okay, just delete this one. So I'm gonna move, and inside this main root. Okay, main directory, just I'm gonna move this one. So, and this time if you enter my main domain, then you can access my website. Okay, previously you was not able to access. Now you can see I have already all file about WordPress. Now in this case, what we should do now, let me go to the my main domain. Okay, and then right here, so after this, so go to the your main domain, where you install WordPress. Now we have to configure something, or I'll show you what we have to do. Okay, we are doing manually, right? So therefore we need some credentials, some informations, like database name, or username, user password. Okay, so if you do not have all, don't worry, I'll show you step, how to create database. Okay, I don't know and why this one is too late. Maybe because of network, Wi-Fi, and today I have now I can see here. So whenever you come to your main domain, where you install WordPress, and then you can see and like this. So you have to select any language, so whatever language you like, just you can select. Then now you can see there is a continue button, and click this one. Okay, so so in this case we need these informations. Okay, so like database name, database username, password, and database host, and also table prefix. So don't worry, I'll show you step by step. Now you can see we need a database name, username, or password. These these are needed. So if you do not have created what page. So don't worry, I'll show you how to create this. So to do I mean to create our database, we have to go to the again our cpanel. So let me go to the cpanel. Now you can see, so we are going to create our database, right? So therefore we have to go to the here. Now you can see there is options MySQL database, and you have to click this and click this one to create database. Okay, now you can see after come here, I can see create new database, and from here you can create database. Well, so whatever name you wanna use for database, just use here. So I'm gonna use here, for example, uh, hello. So hello means database name, and then just after putting database name, just click here create database and click this one. Now you can see, and this will be created. Now you can see this one already created. Okay, so in this name database created, and then click this one. You can see whatever database you created, and now it is here. Now you can see it is here. So in this case, now you can see we need user, right? So and go to the down, and now here you can see our option MySQL users. Okay, and here we can create users. So if you do not have any users to give access to control database, just here you can create a user. So let me create a user. Just here you can create user. So uh, I'm gonna name user hi. Okay, this one is a name of the user. Okay, then here you can see, and password, you have to put your password. So make sure you are using strong password. Okay, or I'm using special character. So I'm gonna use here again. So and then again, so whatever password you are using here, so same password will be here. Okay, I think password would happen password. Okay, so also I'm done to creating user. Okay, so now you can see after doing this, now you can see there is a option create user. So here you have to put password. Okay, just make sure you are using password strong and with special character. Special character means at the rate and slash, whatever you can use. So after this, now you can see there is an option create user, and click this one, and you can see a new window. And okay, well, and then click this one, go back, and whatever user we created, we have to give that user access of the database. So just scroll down, you can see uh, now you can see here add user to the database. So whatever, and select whatever database we created. Now you can see there is a so, and here you have to select username. So whatever user you created, just select this one, and whatever database you created, and select this one. So now I can see there is a database. So whatever database and how many database you have available, and you can see all. Okay, just I'm going to select this. So this means, so, and this user can access and this database. So sorry. Okay, so that, and this user can access this database. Okay, so after doing this, and click this one, I hope you got my point. If you face any problem and if you don't know how to add, please knock me. Now after clicking this, you can see like this window. So okay, so if you click this, so this means so all access of the database you are going to uh, give this user. Okay, and if you wanna give particular access to that user, just you can do this. Now you can see there are a lot of, so I'm gonna give all access to that user. Therefore I'm gonna select this. Now you can see after selecting this and click make changes. Okay, and then we are done. Then after doing this and click this one, go back. Then after doing this we are done. So we created, so we created database as well user, and already we added user to the database, right? So after doing this, and let me go to the again what page. So now we have all things, right? Then click this one. And now here are database name, so whatever database we created and put here. So let me go to the here again to take exact database name. Now you can see there is a database. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna put here as well password, I mean username. So whatever user you created, just copy this one and just select this one, and then and password, whatever password you generated just for the user. Okay, and then put here, I mean enter here. So let me do this. Okay, so after putting password, I mean entering password, and now so you can see a database host. So here whatever it is here, just keep this one, I mean localhost. So as it is here, just leave this one as well. I mean table prefix, so this one actually work for the database. So I mean that, and both and as they are here, just leave this one. Okay, so basically we need this, I mean three things here, like database name or username or password. This also required. Okay, and after doing this, click submit. Hope you got my point. And then now you can see run the installations. That means, so whenever I click this, so our what page will be ready. Okay, so we are now you can see, and here you can see site name, I mean site title and username. So this means so you can, don't worry, you can change this one later. Just I'm doing this. Okay, we can say site name free. Okay, honey. So you can change later. This one is the site name. Site name is your website name, and username. Username means this one you need during login what page, I mean dashboard. Okay, so that's why. So if you use, so remember this one. So I'm gonna use here for example my name, and then here I'm gonna use your password. Okay, and now you can see, and here you need your I mean Gmail. Okay, so that I mean what page will send I mean importing message, and if they needs. Okay, and then so after entering your Gmail, and then you can see there is a option, and this one, this covers search engine from indexing this site. So if you select this, so this site, I mean this site will go to the search engine optimization, search engine, I mean SEO. So I mean that so I will recommend not to select this one. Okay, so whenever you are done SEO, then you can select this. So if you do this, this time in this case, so you know that you are not done with all website. You remind to edit, or your website is not ready. Therefore you should not select this one. Just leave this one uncheck, and then after doing this, and now you can see there is an option in install wordpress, and click this one. So I hope you got my point. So now I can see we are done, and login, and click this on login. Okay, well, maybe I have a problem. No problem. So well, let me go to the domain name. Now I can see it is a lady. Now I can see. Okay, well, and I can see, no problem. Now you can see it is also ready, right? Now it is installed perfectly, and then I'm gonna go to dashboard. So wp admin. So go to the admin. Okay, and now here, so whatever name, whatever name you use for username, right? So just put here uh, during entering informations, like so this one is your name or password, whatever password we use. Just I'm gonna use this. Okay, then I'll be taken, redirect to the dashboard web page. So now I can see we are now I can see uh, we are successful to install WordPress manually. Okay. Now you can see now you can see we are uh, now you can see we are successful to install WordPress manually. Okay, so I hope you got my point, whatever explain so far. So if you face any problem, and if you don't know how to do this one, please knock me. I'm always with you, and I'll try to answer your questions. Okay, and if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and touch the bell icon to get a new tutorial. So see you next time.